कल तक कंपटीशन शर्मा जी के बेटे के साथ था, आज कंपटीशन एआई के साथ है। एंड द स्केरी पार्ट, एआई डज नॉट स्लीप, इट डज नॉट टेक sutta breaks, does not take chai breaks, does not ask for appraisals, and definitely doesn't say sir system hang ho gaya tha. The finance world is changing, and if you are preparing for tomorrow's jobs with yesterday's skills, you will definitely be in trouble. जब हवा का रुख बदलता है तो कुछ लोग दीवारें बनाते हैं और कुछ लोग विंडमिल्स। The world of finance is witnessing exactly that moment. AI is changing the game. Data is changing the game. Technology is changing the game. Bad news. If your biggest finance skill in 2026 is still VLOOKUP, your career may well be heading towards the museum. Because companies are no longer hiring people to prepare reports. They're hiring people who can tell them what will happen next. याद है जब Excel was just good enough, फिर PowerPoints आया, फिर फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग आया और अब AI एंटर कर चुका है. And unlike your office colleagues, AI doesn't take tea breaks. So question ये है कि क्या skills हैं जो मुझे 2026 और 2027 में employable बनाएंगे? The question is, will you become obsolete or will you become unstoppable? So let's talk of the finance skills companies desperately hunt for in this 2026 and 2027. Pehla, AI for finance. I mean, let's start with the elephant in the room. Some people are scared of it. Some people are ignoring it. Both are making the same mistakes because AI is not your replacement, but someone using AI very well might be. I mean, think about it. अर्लियर एक एनालिस्ट 2 घंटे लेता था डेटा कलेक्ट करने में, 2 घंटे डेटा क्लीन करने में, 2 घंटे रिपोर्ट्स बनाने में. आज AI can do half of that before you even finish your first cup of coffee. The future belongs to professionals who know how to use ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, AI agents, automations. Because 2027 में companies won't ask you, can you use Excel? They'll ask, can you make the AI work for us? दूसरी skills है financial modeling. That's my favorite topic because financial modeling हर 2 महीने के बाद बोलता है कि यार फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग तो डेड हो गई है. Every few months investment banks quietly continue hire people who know financial modeling because here's the truth. Building a model was never valuable. Thinking was. AI can build a DCF. AI can forecast the revenues. AI can create an LBO. But AI doesn't know whether management is overly optimistic or pessimistic. AI doesn't know whether a promoter deserves trust. AI doesn't know whether industry tailwinds will become headwinds. As Warren Buffett would have probably said if he would have met in AI कि spreadsheets are smart, the judgments still matter. Calculator हिसाब लगा सकता है लेकिन फैसला अभी भी इंसान को ही लेना होता है. Third skill, data analytics. Let me ask you something. How many reports have you prepared that nobody has read? Exactly. Finance teams have spent years becoming historians, explaining what happened. But businesses don't pay top rupees to historians. They pay to strategists, to the predictors. That's why Power BI, SQL, Python, data analytics, they are just very critical resources and tools that you need to have. Because tomorrow's finance professionals won't simply say sales were down 8%. They'll simply say sales are likely to decline by another 12% unless we change the pricing strategy. One reports the weather, the other predicts the storm. Guess who gets promoted? Fourth, storytelling. That's the most underrated skill in finance. Storytelling, because careers aren't built on Excel. Careers are built in meetings. You've seen it. The smartest guys in the rooms sometimes get ignored, and the person who explains clearly, they get promoted. क्योंकि जो दिखता है शायद वो दिखता है. Because businesses is ultimately about people, not spreadsheets. If you can explain a complex valuation in simple language, if you can explain a $1 billion acquisition to a board, you can simplify complexity. You become invaluable. There's an old saying कि लोग facts सुनते हैं पर कहानियां याद रखते हैं. People forget the numbers, they remember the stories. Fifth skill, strategic thinking. That's the king of all skills. Judgment, common sense, strategic thinking. Ironically, the more advanced technology becomes, the more valuable common sense becomes. Because AI can give you 20 answers, but it cannot tell you which answer is worth betting your career on. Imagine being a CFO. AI gives you the data, consultant gives you the presentation, analyst gives you the reports. Ultimately, someone has to decide कि करना क्या है यार. And that's where leaders are created. Not in spreadsheets, not in dashboards, but in decisions. डिग्री की उम्र होती है, स्किल्स की नहीं. टेक्नोलॉजी बदलती रहती है, लेकिन सीखने वाले कभी पुराने नहीं होते. The future will not belong to the smartest. The future will not belong to the richest. The future will belong to those who can learn, unlearn, and relearn again, because in 2026-27 the winners won't be the people competing against AI. The winners will be the people using AI to become a better version of themselves. कल तक नौकरियां एक्सपीरियंस से मिलती थी, आज स्किल से मिलती हैं और कल एडॉप्टेबिलिटी से मिलेंगी. सवाल ये नहीं है कि AI आ रहा है या नहीं, सवाल ये है कि AI आ गया है, आप तैयार हैं या नहीं. बिकॉज फाइनेंस सीखिए सिर्फ नौकरी लेने के लिए नहीं, बट एक धुरंधर फैसले लेने के लिए.